Greetings from Nova Auto Sale from sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2017 Chevrolet Malibu Premier Edition. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. It's got a really nice wine red color, beautiful interior leathered up, backup sensors. It's got all the toys. It's a 2.1 turbo, really in beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and we'll take a closer look and show you panel by panel. Front bumpers in outstanding shape. Front parking sensors looks amazing, really in beautiful condition. Headlamps are in outstanding shape, very nice, super clean. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice, really nice shape. Taking a look at the fender on the driver's side, looks good, very nice condition, clean throughout, very nice. Driver door looks good, clean throughout, beautiful condition. Rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition, very nice. Quarter panel on the driver's side, also in outstanding shape. Rear bumpers in beautiful condition. Parking sensors, backup camera. This is a Premier Edition. Rear lights are in outstanding shape. Look at this, very nice. Trunk lid in the back also looks amazing. Rear quarter panel on the passenger side, beautiful condition, very nice. Take a look at the rear door on the passenger side, amazing condition, very nice. Take a look at the front passenger door, also in amazing condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the front fender on the passenger side, also in outstanding condition, clean throughout, beautiful shape. Let's take a look at the windshield real quick. Really in outstanding condition. Roof on the top looks nice. It's got that big sunroof. Really nice. Really outstanding condition. Look at that. Beautiful condition throughout. Really in outstanding shape. Super clean, beautiful color. Really nice one. Really outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice. All right, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really in great shape. Take a look at the controls there. Very nice. It has a memory seat. This is loaded up. This is a premium edition. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look at the seat. Leather's in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Rugs are clean. Looks very nice. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in great shape. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Look at the controls. Very nice. Really in great condition. Take a look at the passenger seat. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice shape. Rugs are clean. Looks very nice inside and out. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel looks good. Controls are in great shape. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Take a look at those rear seats. They look brand new. Very nice condition. It's got some vents here for the rear. Down below here, it's got a power plug for 120. Look at that. And also it has a power plug for 12 volts and 2 USB plugs there. Really nice. Very well equipped. Okay, now we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Looks good, very clean throughout. Really in great shape. Take a look at the rear seats, also in beautiful condition. Really great condition overall. Rugs are clean, looks very nice. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2017. I'm gonna go ahead and start this baby up. It's Malibu with the Premium Edition. It's a key fob here. It's got lock unlock, remote start, power trunk. Okay, very nice. Let's go ahead and start it up. Press the button here. Hold the brake down, press the button, and we'll see it start right up. You can see it starts up perfect. All the lights are coming on perfect. Look at that. All the gauges are fully functional. You can see there. It's got the My Link radio system, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this one, but let's look at the mileage first. 88,669 miles. Really nice. Steering wheel's really nice equipped here. It's got a heated steering wheel, look at that. It's got lane assist here. Bluetooth, all the controls and stuff, very nice. Automatic lights, beautiful. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Memory seat for the driver. So control for the wipers over here. Really nice. It's got a beautiful display there on top. Climate control AC for the driver and passenger. It's got front and rear parking sensors, traction control, automatic transmission with manual shift modes. Really nice armrest there. Up above here, it's got some courtesy lights here. Look at that. Very nice LEDs. It's got a power sunroof, automatic dimming mirror. Let's take a look at the radio real quick. Audio. Very nice. Look at that. It's got navigation. Beautiful. Go back to menu again. Let's go back home again. It's got projector. You can connect your phone and then whatever's on your phone comes out on the screen. That's so cool. You can subscribe for weather and all those updates there. You get more apps, traffic apps and stuff like that if you want to get that. Set up your phone for Bluetooth. I'm guessing for Bluetooth music also, Bluetooth audio. And you got XM radio there, AM, FM. Very nice. Let's go back again to home. Okay. And then we have the climate control here. You got two zones, one for the driver, one for the passenger. The rear has also vents back there. So it has heated seats and air conditioned seats. That's a nice feature. Look at that. That's the heat. And this is the air conditioned seats. Super nice. Very nicely equipped. Okay. It's got a little tray here. It's got some really nice lights there. You've got two USB plugs here, plus an auxiliary power plug right there. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Looks brand new. Steering wheel's also in beautiful condition. Vehicle looks super, super nice inside and out. Really in outstanding shape. Let's go ahead and test out that sunroof real quick. It's got a large shade here that goes back first. That is really nice. And this is just a pop-up, I guess, here. That's all it is. Just a pop-up. Pops up, and then you press the other button and it goes all the way back. Look at that. That's so nice. Okay, fully functional, no issues at all. Let's close the shade real quick. Here we go. Really beautiful condition. Fully functional, no issues at all. Very nice. Okay, well that's pretty much going to conclude all the functions inside the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and take it for a little test drive now and test it out and show you how nice it drives. Here's another really nice feature this vehicle has. When you put it in reverse, you have backup camera. Then when you turn the steering wheel, it shows you which way the vehicle is going to roll back, which is a really nice feature. Look at that. Super nice. It's got front and rear parking sensors. We'll look at those in a moment. But let's go ahead and take it for a little test drive now. Show you guys how nice this thing drives. Drives really nice, feels super smooth, very quick. Look at that, we're already going 40 miles per hour. Feels super smooth. brakes feel good. Really nice drive. Accelerates perfect, so smooth. Getting to the stop sign here, let's brake. See how it stops? Perfect, perfect. Okay, well, it looks like that's going to conclude our test drive on this one. This Malibu's in really nice shape. It's got a beautiful color outside. Really nice combination inside. Drives perfect, feels super smooth on the road. A lot of features, a lot of extras on it. Premium edition. And we're going to go ahead and show you now the parking sensors, which it has front and rear. And we already showed you the backup camera, but we'll go ahead and take a look at that in a moment. Here we go. So when you get a little close to here, there's a wall here I'm getting close to here. It starts showing you here when you're getting close. It'll show you what you're getting close to. So we're getting here in the front, so it'll let you know how close you're getting. And then also, if you're doing the same thing, and if let's say you were backing up into something, it'll give you the backup camera, and then it'll also give you the display. After you start getting close, that it feels you're getting close, it'll beep, and then you'll have a display here right on the cluster. It'll show you when you're getting too close. Look at that. Very nice. And then it'll flash here, and it'll beep a little bit more. It's a really nice function. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and we'll take a look at the trunk area and take a look at those tires. Okay, we're taking a look at the trunk area. Trunk area is clean and in great condition. Look at that. Very nice. Super nice condition. Okay, now we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Looks brand new. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire looks good. Looks brand new. You can still see the line from when it was brand new. Look at that. Tire looks brand new. Very nice condition. Rim has some blemishes on it. You can see there on the edge. Besides that, it looks good. Really nice condition overall. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tires. Rear tire on the driver's side looks amazing. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in great shape. It does have some blemishes on the edge. Some road rash here. You can see there. Besides that, looks good. Very nice condition overall. Okay, we're taking a look at the other rear tire. On the passenger side, tire looks good. Good amount of tread on there, looks brand new. Rim is clean and in great shape, but it does have some blemishes on it here, down there towards the edge, couple scratches and stuff. Nothing major, but they're there. We're taking a look at the other tire. On the front passenger side, tire looks amazing, looks brand new. Rim is clean and in great shape, has some blemishes here on the edge. Besides that, looks good. Well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2017 Malibu Premier Edition. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046.
Thanks for watching.